User access control prompts in Windows 10 can be annoying, especially when you often run a program that requires administrator permissions. So guys, to launch the task scheduler, click search bar, type task scheduler and then select the task scheduler icon in the search results. When task scheduler opens, first click on task scheduler local, then click on create task. Give the task a simple name without any spaces that's easy to remember. Then tick the box next to run with highest privilege. Click OK so it will automatically switch to the Actions tab and then click the New button. Now click Browse to search for the application to run when you start the task. Locate the application .exe file you want to start. And then click Open. Click OK to save the changes. Now click the Conditions tab and untick the box. Now check all the 3 tabs and then click OK. Select the task scheduler library. Right click on the task in the list and then click Run from the context menu. Now close both the task scheduler and the opened application. Now right click an empty spot on the desktop and then click New shortcut. Now type the command as given below. And in the last, type the name of the task that you entered in the task scheduler. Click Next after you enter the command. Give the new shortcut a useful name and click Finish to create it. Click Finish. Now, right click the shortcut and select Properties from the context menu. Click the drop down menu next to Run and choose Minimized from the list below. Next, click Change icon to personalize the shortcuts icon. Click Browse and locate the application. Select Open to see its icons. Select the application's icon and click OK to save the changes. Select OK one more time to save all changes and return to the desktop. Now you have a shortcut that looks nice. So users, that's all there is to it. Repeat this process for any other applications you regularly use to bypass the user access control prompts.